What's a church bell without a bell tower? Well, Washington County Church is trying to renovate and restore its bell tower to house the original church bell that was cast in 1896. As News 13's Heather Basley tells us, church members say this is a piece of local history that's worth preserving.
The First Presbyterian Church of Chipley is about to undergo a significant renovation to preserve its bell and tower. The bell has been ringing from the church's tower since its move there in 1938. With its weight of nearly 1,500 pounds and historical value, it's a central piece of the church's heritage. Church member Cheryl McCall says the bell is important to the community, and the only way to preserve it is to renovate the tower that holds it.
Well, if you lose your history, you lose where you've come from. People miss the bell. We have new people that moved in from the upper Midwest and northern, and they say, we love the sound of the bell. It is, but at about $25,000, we've got some contractors that are doing really well by us, by lowering their rates because they're like us. They want to preserve the history and be a part of it.
Members decided the tower needed a facelift after first noticing a leak and water damage 5 weeks ago. $25,000 is a lot of money for a small church, so the congregation is asking for help from the community.
We are. We're accepting donations here at the church at 658 5th Street in Chipley. Every little bit helps. We've had people from all over town, not just our members, at other churches and other people that have seen the story and want to be a part of preserving history.
In Washington County, Heather Basley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Now, if you would like to help out, again, they are taking some donations. The project's expected to take about 2 weeks. The bell will be displayed in front of the church before it's rehung so that everybody can see it.